everyone, welcome back to the new video. This is Namrata here. I hope you all are doing well and still staying in. I know it's getting longer, right? For me, it's near about 2 months that I'm stuck at home, and now it just feels like punishment. Yeah, I think now it's hitting me hard. Initially, I was actually enjoying this idea of quarantine, just staying home and doing whatever I love to do, spending time with family, and now it's getting tougher every day. But we can't help it, that's how it is. We have to accept everything about it and follow all the do's and don'ts. So that's that, and today in this video I'm going to talk about my top 5 favorite highlighters, and at the end I'm going to show you how to make your highlighters pop like a pro. I mean, how you can achieve that blinding highlighter effect which has been in the trend for quite a long time, but for now that's not the trend, not the current trend. But I know so many of you like that extra pop-up glow, including me, so I should share with you how you can achieve that. And among these 5 highlighters, I picked 3 from the drugstore, very pocket friendly, and 2 from high-end. So yeah, but all 5 looks equally gorgeous on skin. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. But before that, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and if you liked watching this video, then you know what you need to do. Hit the like button. Okay, I think you have already noticed that I'm done with my makeup today except the highlighter. I did very minimal makeup, and now I'm gonna do the highlighter part with you all. So at first I'm gonna talk about this MAC highlighter. This is the one from the high end. This is their extra dimension skin finish highlighter, and it's in the shade Oh Darling. It's a beautiful golden champagne color, and I think it would be perfect on all the Indian skin tones. Not only Indian skin tones, any skin color would be good for it because it has that nice blend of gold and champagne, so it would be good for everyone. But the only reason why I love it exceptionally, that is the finishing of it. Once you apply it, it will be very blended with your skin, with your makeup, and it would just look like your skin, but the better skin, the healthier skin. It will give you that glow from within effect, and that's why I love it. And if you haven't tried this yet, go for it, you'd love it. And now I'm gonna apply it on the side. Wow, I mean, the way it looks, it just make me fall in love again and again. Every time I apply it, I just love it a little more. I don't know, I think this is the best MAC highlighter I have tried till date. But if you have any other recommendation, please let me know. I'd love to try. I love highlighters. And next I'm moving forward with another cult favorite. This is the BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector. It's in the shade Champagne Pop, the most hyped highlighter in the world. So this is how it looks. I love the packaging of it and everything about it, but it will give you that very blinding effect. If you love that very extra pop-up glow from a highlighter, then you should definitely think of it. I think so many of you already have this one, but I can't help, it's one of my favorite. It has to be a favorite. That's why I thought to include this in today's video. And now I'm gonna apply it on this side. Again, this one doesn't look chunky. None of the highlighter from today's video would be chunky, because I hate those highlighters which has very big chunks of glitter. Those are very fake looking in my opinion. I always love something which has very smooth texture yet very glowy, like this one's. And now I'm going to remove this beautiful highlighters from both the sides of camera, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with no highlighters on. So what I did is quickly wiped up all the highlighters with the help of this wipe, and then applied little foundation to make it look even. So that's that. And now I'm going to talk about my drugstore favorites. So the first thing has to be this Makeup Revolution Strobe highlighter. I mean, I don't know why didn't I try this before. I just got this a few months back, right before the lockdown happened, and ever since I'm just obsessed with it. The way it looks on my skin, it just looks like a very high-end highlighter, but very pocket friendly. It's just like $8, below $10. I got this from Ulta, and if you can get it from any other places like TJ Maxx or Marshalls, it would be way cheaper. And I think it's also available in India. You can check on Nykaa or on Hawk Makeup or something like that. I'm gonna put all the links in the description box below. Check that out, and it's just perfect. Trust me, if you buy it, it would be so worth it. Okay, as you can see, it just looks so melted into the skin, looks so blended without any fuzz, and that's what I love about any highlighter. I always love this kind of smooth textured highlighter. And if you're confused with highlighter shades and if you wanna know which would look perfect or natural on your skin color, then I'd always recommend something which has golden tone to it, especially if you're an Indian or someone of medium to dark skin color. But if you're very light to light medium, then you can go with something which has silver tone to it, silvery rose, silvery champagne. That would look great on you. But the more you go in the dark skin color, the better if you pick something which has golden tone to it. I think that's how it works. And now I'm gonna share with you the next highlighter, which is my favorite, and it has to be the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I use the shade Molten Rosegold, and this is how it looks. It's been used and abused, as you can see, and again it's very pocket friendly. And again, textured wise, these are all same. If you like this kind of very smooth but super glowy highlighter, then you should definitely like this video, because all 5 would be that same textured. So now I'm gonna apply this highlighter on the side. Most of you already tried this one because it's available everywhere and it's so good. But if you haven't tried yet, and if you're not into makeup fully, but still I'd recommend this. Just try this and you just love how beautiful it makes your skin right after applying it. And yeah, if you have tried anything better than this from Maybelline, let me know also. I'd love to try that. This is the only highlight I love from Maybelline. So this is it, and next I'm going to talk about the last one, and that's again a very pocket friendly option. That's the Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighting powder, and I'm talking about the shade Precious Petals. But before I apply it, I need to remove all the highlighters from both the sides, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back again. Trust me, I removed all the highlighters, but the glow you were seeing, it's from the foundation, because I applied this dewy foundation from Wet n Wild. It looks little dewy. That's the glow you were seeing. And yeah, now let's talk about this highlighter. It's a very pocket friendly Wet n Wild highlighter, again available everywhere. Texture wise, I love the last 4 favorites more than this one, because it looks little chunky. You might see those chunks of glitters here and there sometimes, but still it's so good for the price. It looks so blinding. It serves the purpose so nicely. So I don't say anything bad about it. It's still my favorite, but little less than the last 4s. On this side, I'm gonna apply it just in a regular way, and you might have to layer it up to get the extreme glow you can get from this highlighter. And on this side, definitely I'm going to apply this highlighter, but I'm going to show you 2 different methods to make it look even more extra. So the first thing has to be applying any makeup setting spray onto your brush, or you can also apply it directly on your skin and then apply the highlighter. But today I'm going to apply it on my brush. And now pick the highlighter. Once you apply this way, it will be just set on your skin. It will be there for hours. It won't budge at all. And the next method would be applying highlighter with any creamy base underneath. That could be any moisturizer, any creamy highlighter. So today I'm going to use this e.l.f. moisturizer. I'm going to take a little, just a little bit, wherever you want the highlighter to be. Just apply that underneath, like right here. If you're working on any dry skin, it would work like magic, but make sure you don't apply a lot of moisturizer, just a bit would work. And now I'm gonna apply the highlighter on top of it. Okay, this brush is wet, so I'm gonna pick any other brush like this one, although this is not the perfect highlighter brush. Look at this. See, it just works so well. But always remember, it doesn't have to be any moisturizer all the time. You can use any creamy base underneath. That could be even like creamy highlighter, that would be even better. So this is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button, and please let me know which one you already tried and what's your favorite highlighters in the comment below. I'd love to know that. So this is it for now. I'll be back with the next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.